China's humanoid robots, the dawn of mass production. What if robots could be made as easily as smartphones? In China, this is becoming a reality. Humanoid robots, once a futuristic dream, are now being mass-produced. And the shocking part? Prices are dropping fast, making these advanced creations accessible to the world. Chinese companies have nailed mass production. By using the same efficient supply chains as the car industry, they've slashed production costs. Just a few years ago, humanoid robots cost over 1 million yuan. Now, they're heading toward as low as 200,000 yuan. The age of affordable robots is here. These robots are fast and efficient. They move at a smooth 0.8 meters per second, almost like humans. By reimagining energy systems and sharing engineering techniques from electric vehicles, Chinese manufacturers are making robots that are not only smarter, but also built to last. Mass production means big numbers. Thousands of robots are already being made annually. This isn't just tech for China, it's global. Imagine a world where highly capable, human-like robots are helping in everyday industries, reshaping work as we know it. The world is watching as China leads this robotic revolution. Are you ready to be part of the next chapter in technology? Follow us for more updates and insights into the mind-blowing innovations redefining humanity's future with robotics. Don't miss your glimpse into tomorrow, starting today.